When it comes to managing small trade contractors, you're probably wondering which tool is best, CoConstruct or Tradify. Both have their strengths, but there's one you might want to seriously consider, and I'll get to that by the end of this video. Let's start with CoConstruct. It's well known for its project management features, especially tailored for custom home builders and remodelers. The software offers tools for managing client communications, scheduling, budgeting, and more. If you're managing multiple trade contractors and need something that integrates with your accounting software, CoConstruct is an option you might have heard of. But while it's robust, it's not exactly the easiest to learn, especially for small teams who don't have the time to invest in training. And if you're a small contractor trying to keep costs low, the price tag on CoConstruct may leave you wondering if it's worth the investment. Next thing, Tradify. Tradify is simpler and a bit more affordable, making it a solid contender for small trade contractors. It offers a straightforward approach with features like job management, invoicing, and scheduling. Plus, it's available on both mobile and desktop, so you can stay on top of things on site. The downside? It lacks some of the deeper customization that CoConstruct provides, and while it's user-friendly, the lack of integration with certain other tools might leave you looking for something else if your business grows or becomes more complex. The third thing to consider is pricing. CoConstruct tends to be more expensive, and while its features are tailored for larger teams and complex projects, the cost might be a burden for smaller contractors. Tradify, on the other hand, comes in at a lower price point, but again, you're sacrificing some of the features that might come in handy if you need more control over custom projects or budgets. The fourth thing is integrations. CoConstruct has a broader range of integrations, particularly for contractors who rely heavily on accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. However, if you're only managing a small team, you might not need all of these integrations, and this might actually overwhelm you. Tradify, while it doesn't have as many integrations, does the basics well, syncing with your mobile device for quick access to schedules and jobs. Now, both tools have their upsides, but if you're a small trade contractor looking for a tool that strikes the right balance between cost, features, and ease of use, there's one software that stands out. After trying both CoConstruct and Tradify myself, I found that the best tool for managing small trade contractors isn't either of these. It's something different entirely. If you want a better alternative, take advantage of the free trial of the software linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best trial experience with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. This software offers a perfect mix of usability, essential features, and customization, all while being cost-effective for small teams. CoConstruct and Tradify are both great tools, but if you want something that's more suited for small contractors, I highly recommend checking out the link below. You won't regret it.